Acne is a common skin condition that affects millions of people around the world. While there are many over-the-counter treatments and medications available, some people prefer to treat their acne naturally. In this guide, we'll show you how to heal acne naturally using simple and effective home remedies. Step 1. Cleanse your face with water. This is an important step in any skincare routine, as it helps to remove dirt, oil, and impurities from the skin. Step 2. Use honey as a natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory treatment. Apply a small amount of honey to the affected area and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Step 3. Apply tea tree oil to the affected area. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic that can help to reduce inflammation and kill acne-causing bacteria. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil, and apply it to the affected area. Step 4. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated. Dehydrated skin can lead to acne, so it's important to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Step 5. Use aloe vera gel to soothe and heal your skin. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce redness and swelling. Apply a small amount of aloe vera gel to the affected area and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Step 6. Exercise regularly to improve blood circulation and reduce stress. Stress can cause acne, so it's important to find ways to relax and de-stress. By following these simple steps, you can heal your acne naturally and achieve clear, healthy-looking skin. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. And if you have any suggestions for future videos or feedback on this one, please leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you.